There's all kinds of YouTube movies on how to make your car battery last almost forever. Well, forget about it. Car batteries have a limited life. If you're starting your car every day, several times or more a day, your battery's good for about 2 years. If you're like me, you don't maybe start your car for maybe 3 days, and it's only once or twice starting the car, your battery could last 3 years. But average user, expect that you can depend on your battery for about 2 years. After 2 years, spend the money and replace it. You do not want to be stuck someplace where suddenly the battery's not putting out any juice to stop the car. Now you've got to call for service. Now you've got to call someone else to pick you up and take you to a battery store and come back and replace the battery wherever the car's sitting. It's not worth it. You had to buy the battery anyway. So buy the battery after 2 years, get a new one, put it in, and don't put up with getting broke down somewhere because your car won't start.